This week's top stories are Baar Baar Dekho all set to release, Pink is the new Amitabh movie, and women-oriented movies are on the rise in Bollywood. Hi, I'm Shafina and welcome to Bollywood Scoop, where we have all the latest stories and gossip directly from Tinseltown. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get on with the show. It's gossip time, where we have all the hottest news from the industry. Check out what we have in store for you this week.
Actor-filmmaker Ajay Devgan, who demanded investigation against filmmaker Karan Johar for allegedly paying Kamal R. Khan 25 lakh rupees to tweet positive about his next film, Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, and give negative reviews of Devgan's film, Shivai, has said that Khan is contradicting himself in explanations. Director-producer Anand L. Rai, who has directed a string of hit films like Tanu Weds Manu and Ranjana, has said his upcoming movie with superstar Shah Rukh Khan will have a romantic story. Said Rai at the premiere of the movie Sunshine Music Tours and Travels. However, he hinted that it will be a romantic plot. The film will hit theatres on December 21, 2018, and SRK is to play a dwarf in the movie. Actor Sushant Singh Rajput will be seen in a Bollywood space film titled Chanda Mama Dur Ke. The actor says this should be Bollywood's first space film, as he has never seen any such project in the past, said Sushant. This Kapoor girl has always wowed us with her feisty attitude, be it on screen or off screen. In an industry where marriage for actresses often spells an end to a glorious career, Kareena Kapoor Khan strongly held her top position and continued to work alongside top stars of the industry, much to her naysayers' dismay. Recently, when the news of Bebo Darling's pregnancy broke the internet, again her detractors predicted an end to her acting career. However, the Udta Punjab actress once again proved all of them wrong by confirming that she will still be a part of Rhea Kapoor's Veere Di Wedding and will shoot some portions of the film now and remaining later post her delivery. Having suffered losses in its recent Bollywood ventures, the Walt Disney India company today said that it is shifting focus to driving the Hollywood movie slate in India. In a statement, the studio said the shift is happening because the current economic model for investing in the local film industry is challenging. There were reports that the studio was leaving Bollywood production following the poor box office performances of its recent releases, Hrithik Roshan starrer Mohenjo-daro and Fitoor.
Baar Baar Dekho is the new romantic movie starring Siddharth Malhotra and Katrina Kaif. Will you be going to see it? Get more of an insight before you hit the cinema.
First promotional song and then trailer. Moving away from mainstream promotional strategy, film Baar Baar Dekho's trailer has been presented to the audience. This joint production between Dharma Productions and Excel Entertainment has already built up a connection with its audience with its first glimpse. The pair of Katrina Kaif and Siddharth Malhotra is being shown in the film for the first time, and it is clear from the trailer that this fresh couple has an excellent chemistry. Baar Baar Dekho is ostensibly a love story, but the thrill portion of the film can be seen from the trailer. The lead actor of the film, Siddharth, believes that no one has made such a love story in Bollywood till now. The film story is unique. Siddharth has also found his role in the film quite challenging.
Lots has happened to me and my character in the film. That is the film. You see what happens to this man's life, and he goes through a journey. That is the new USP of the film that we're trying to show, that what if you could see the future of your love?
Siddharth hopes that the audience likes his different main lead.
लव स्टोरी है, एक हाई कॉन्सेप्ट कहानी है. इट्स नेवर बीन डन बिफोर हिंदी फिल्म में कि जहाँ पे आप व्हाट इफ यू कुड सी द फ्यूचर ऑफ योर लव. आई थिंक बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग रोल था, बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग पिक्चर है, एक अलग नैरेटिव है. सो होपफुली लोगों को हंसी भी आएगी, प्यार भी होगा और मज़ा भी आएगा.
Katrina Kaif has also worked hard for her role in the film.
There was a portion in the film where Nithya wanted a very different look to the rest of the film for a reason which you will come to know when you see the film. So for that, we just kind of decided that let's really, get really, really fit and pull down.
She gave up water.
And I gave up a lot of nice things in
Salt.
life.
There will be different looks of Katrina in Baar Baar Dekho. A glimpse of this can be seen in the trailer. Katrina had to follow a strict routine for her skinny look. Debutante Nithya Mehra has directed Baar Baar Dekho. According to her, her film is just like any other love story, but its packaging is different, which people should definitely watch.
The beauty of the film lies in how we've just packaged it in an interesting way, but actually it's a very, very, very simple story. It's a beautiful story about love and life, and it's simple and sweet, very understandable. It's not like it's some sci-fi time travel film at all. And it's really about the small moments in life, and if you don't pay attention, your life will pass you by and not much will be left.
Baar Baar Dekho is a joint production of Dharma and Excel. This is the first time that these two production houses are collaborating. According to producer Ritesh Sidhwani, this co-production plan was going on for a while, but they were lacking a good script.
Remember, like I've said this in the round table, you've seen it, that Karan ne jab script padhi thi, we had sent it to Siddharth and we've been wanting to work together, both of us. Karan and me wanting to work and collaborate. And उसने जब script पढ़ी, actually उसने मुझे चीज़ बताई कि ये script उनके पास गई थी and उन्हें बहुत पसंद आई थी. And he said, actually this is the movie I wanted to direct, you know. But I said you can always come on board and we'll make it together, because we've been finding the right script to collaborate, and we found that in Baar Baar Dekho.
The film is going to be released next month. It is hoped that the film will receive the same kind of popularity that the songs and trailer of Baar Baar Dekho have received, and that the audience will not just want to watch it once, but again and again.
Another Sujit Sarkar Amita movie is on the verge of release. Yes, the name is Pink, and more interestingly, it was rumored to be titled Eve. I promise to bring more details as soon as they come through to us here at Be4You. But for now, watch the following report.
Among the efforts for women empowerment going on in the country was released the trailer of Bollywood film Pink. This story is about three young women who have to face social stigma and legal trials. Tapsi Pannu, Kirti Kulhari and Andrea Taryang play these three women in Pink. But most interesting is the film's title, Pink. This color symbolizes women empowerment, and hence this color has become the title.
Pink color जो है इसको एक स्थान दिया गया है women empowerment के लिए. महिलाओं को शक्ति मिले, उसके लिए एक रंग चुना गया पिंक. और इसीलिए इस फिल्म का शीर्षक पिंक रखा गया, क्योंकि ये फिल्म उन महिलाओं के प्रति है जिनको हम सब शक्ति देना चाहते हैं और बताना चाहते हैं कि उनके अंदर भी एक शक्ति है जिसका उन्होंने इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए.
Amitabh Bachchan plays the role of a lawyer in this film. Big B's look appears quite mysterious in the trailer. Amitabh Bachchan describes his role in the following way.
कुछ हद तक ये जो किरदार है ये थोड़ा सा बहका हुआ है अपने जीवन में, कुछ हताश भी है, कुछ निराशाएं हुई हैं और इसलिए ये इतना सक्षम नहीं है अपने काम में. लेकिन धीरे धीरे जिस तरह की वो परिस्थितियों को देखता है, ये इन तीन लड़कियों के घर के सामने ही रहता है और प्रतिदिन देखता रहता है इनकी जो हालत है या हालात हैं, और उन्हीं से प्रेरित होकर के ये कुछ कदम उठाता है जो शायद अपने जीवन में इसने पहली दफ़े इतना एक सशक्त कदम उठाया हो.
Pink is a hard-hitting and realistic film. Its characters are intense and its scenes are just as intense. As such, shooting this film was emotionally very taxing for its actors.
It was heart-wrenching. The 2 months that I was shooting for this, I was not 2 months in the sense when we had planned the entire schedule. I was not doing anything else but concentrating on this film. There were times that probably I had an emotional breakdown off the set as well, for no reason almost, because by the end of it, you actually feel the character so close that something has actually happened to you.
Anirudh Roy Chaudhary has directed this woman-oriented film. Its producer is Sujit Sarkar, who believes that even though it is not based on a real-life incident, this film portrays today's social situation.
This is purely a story which we have seen in our eyes. I have seen in Delhi. Tony has seen it in Kolkata. So you will all relate to it. It's somewhere down the line, somewhere it must have happened to you also.
According to Shujit, the courtroom scenes shown in the film are different and more intense than the courtroom scenes shown in films till now.
एक साथ बैठते थे, एक साथ 20 मिनट, 15 मिनट का सीन एक साथ प्ले होता था, as if it's a real case कि एक witness box में लेके जाया जाता था and lawyers उनसे सवाल करते थे and जज करते थे. तो मैं इतना आपको बता दूं कि आप जब कोर्ट केस देखेंगे आपको एक इतना यूनिक सा एक एनवायरनमेंट लगेगा, आपको लगेगा कि you are transported to a real session court in Delhi.
Pink is being released in September. It is a perfect time to release a film that is about women empowerment. We hope that Pink will prove to be a successful film at the box office.